Morning students, as you know that the story that we are going to cover today is Golu grows a nose. The python uncoiled himself from the branch of a tree but said nothing. As we know that Golu, a baby elephant who is in the habit of lots of things in his surroundings and at last reaches giraffe, elephant, ostrich, or different kinds of animals and asking lots of things about them, at last reaches to the python and wants to know about the dinner of crocodile. And that moment python wants to just uncoil himself. Golu politely helped him to coil around the branch again and said goodbye to him. He helped him to just wrap once again in the branch of the tree and went away from that place. Golu moved on, eating sugar canes, bananas, and melons. He has his own food laden on his back and enjoying his journey. He had just left for the crocodiles because he wanted to know about the dinner of crocodile. After a few days he reached the very edge of the great grassy Lampum river, and at last he reached his destination, and that was the river where the crocodile was living. On the bank of the river he saw a log of wood. What he saw? A log of wood was laying on the bank of the river. It was really the crocodile who winked at him. It was the crocodile. It was not the log, but it was crocodile. Excuse me, said Golu. Golu said, excuse me, have you ever seen a crocodile? He said to him, have you seen ever a crocodile? The crocodile winked again and lifted half his tail out of the mud. Come here, little one, said the crocodile. Crocodile said that, come here to the Golu, the little baby elephant. Why do you ask such question? If you want to know the answer of such types of questions, you are excited to know, just come near me. I want to know. He said, I want to know. Come close, little one, for I am the crocodile. And he said crocodile's tears to show it was quite true. He was just showing unreal tears, that you can say crocodile tears means unreal tears, that is not real. He wanted to show. He said that come closer to me if you want to know something about crocodiles. He said about the same elephant. Golu was afraid, but he sat down on the bank and said, you are very poor person. I was looking for, please tell me what you have for dinner. He said that I want to know that what do you have for dinner. Come here, little one, and I will whisper answer to you, said crocodile. Crocodile said that I cannot announce it publicly. I cannot say about my dinner loudly. Just you want to know about my dinner, just come near me. I will whisper, I will say silently in your ear, and about my dinner you and me will know. Golu put his head down close to the crocodile's snout, and crocodiles caught him by the nose. What happened? As soon as he reached near the crocodile caught him by the nose. I think, said the crocodile, today a baby elephant will be my dinner. Crocodile said that you are going to be my dinner today. Let me go, you are hurting me. Crocodile caught the elephant. Now the elephant became restless and started crying, please help me, please save me, I am helpless, and said that allow me to go. The python, who had been quietly following Golu, and python was also coming following the elephant. At last he came to the bank and said, if you do not pull as hard as you can, the crocodile will drag you into the stream. And the python warned the elephant, the baby elephant, Golu, that if you want to save yourself from crocodile, you need to just pull yourself out of this river as much as a strength you can apply. Otherwise, you are going to die today. You will be the dinner of crocodile today. Thank you.